How do I know if the drywall cracks I'm seeing in my house are from actual foundation settlement or caused by something else? Welcome back to another episode of You Ask, We Answer foundation repair questions from actual customers. So today's question is, how do I know if the drywall cracks I'm seeing in my house are from actual foundation settlement or caused by something else? So
Brian, that's a really good question. The only way you can typically answer that question is by actual being in the house, doing a manometer survey, or taking a zip level to measure the elevations, see if those drywall cracks correlate with anything else that's going on with the house. So I would look at the A plus B has to equal C. You have to have this drywall crack, plus maybe a crack in the slab, plus the house being out of level, which an engineer doesn't want the floor to drop more than a ½ inch within 10 feet. So that's very important to realize. Once it does drop a ½ inch in 10 feet, then that house is considered out of engineer's tolerance. And you just have to pick up on, there has to be multiple signs going for a settling house. So that's just one of the things to look for. And that's why someone like me would go there and take the measurements in the first place.
Gotcha. Have you seen or been in houses where you've seen foundation cracks and it hasn't, or not foundation cracks, drywall cracks, and haven't seen an actual foundation issue?
I have. I've seen that. I've seen cracks in slabs where it's still pretty level as well. And it's in the 60s, they had a wire mesh, and sometimes they didn't put any steel in the footing or the slab. So, but I have seen that. Not every drywall crack, going back to that, is necessarily a foundation issue. We live in Southern California, earthquake country. This could have been a shoddy drywall job, or it could have been from direct correlation to an earthquake. So it's not always a foundation problem. So going back to what I was saying, there's how we measure floors is utilizing a zip level. It's an altimeter that measures elevations. That's how we know. This thing measures within a 1/10 of an inch. It's standard throughout our industry, and you take that and measure all the floors. Typically, drywall cracks could be one of three things: an earthquake, shoddy work, or foundation settlement. But it'll take a specialist like myself or anybody at Dalinghaus Construction to go out there and decipher what that is. So to wrap this up regarding drywall cracks, could be a number of things. It could be foundation issues. That's why you'd have a specialist like myself from Dalinghaus Construction out. Could be shoddy drywall. It could be just the house breathing and the organic material expanding and contracting. So it's better just to call Dalinghaus at the number below and get a specialist like myself to come take a look.
So there you have it from Mark. Not every drywall crack that you're going to see is going to be a detrimental foundation issue. Again, like I said, we'll do 4 elevations, get everything squared away with you guys, let you know exactly what's going on. And if there is nothing wrong, we'll let you know. If there is something going on, then we'll let you know that as well. So until next time, we'll sit here and continue to wait for more of your foundation questions.